My name is Tara Smith, and we're inside the BP gas station at 4219 Riverdale in Memphis, Tennessee. I used to work for Internal Revenue Service. I did that for 22 years, and one day I decided I just want to be a chef. I quit my job and I just opened up a business. Didn't have no clue of what I was doing in 2006. A lot of things I did trial and error. I look at a recipe and I make it my own. So again, it's a gift from God, and I just know how to incorporate my flavors together and it come out good. I put my heart into everything that I do. My ultimate goal is to satisfy my customer. If you're not satisfied, I'm gonna keep doing it until I make it right for you. I love to see the reaction of my customers, just as you tried the turkey burger and the buffalo egg roll. I love to see the result from their face, because the face would not lie.